How to enable Face ID on Binance application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to enable Face ID on Binance app. So first thing, head over to your Binance application, and once you're inside Binance application, make sure you verify your identity. And once you verify your identity, simply click on your profile section, and from here you just have to click on settings. And if you have already verified your account, you will see the option, you will find the account of section. And once you do that, from there you will see the option of security. Let me just show you the example like this. And inside the security, under the account section, you will see the option called Face ID. So what you need to do is simply enable it, and once you enable it, you will be asked to enter your face, show your face, or some kind of confirmation code for your device. And once you do that, you will have successfully enabled the Face ID on your Binance application. So that's exactly how you do enable the Face ID on Binance app. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next